welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin dominance. I also want to talk about the overall crypto market and where I think we're headed here, because there are some interesting things happening with the Bitcoin dominance chart, and I want to go over that with you guys. So today, we are at 8,410 subscribers, guys. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now, and let's hop in this video. So right now, guys, Bitcoin is consolidating, still doing the same thing it's been doing. We made that big move up to about 31,000. Now we're trading between 29,000 and about the $30,500 range. We've been trading there for a few days. We are down about 4% today, which is something interesting to look at because we are kind of making our way down leading into this trade week. But the most important thing that I really want to look at right now is the Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin dominance has come down. It is at 45.45%. And we've been talking a lot about Bitcoin dominance on the channel, about how we think leading into the Bitcoin halving, we need to see a big move to the upside with Bitcoin dominance, because I know a lot of you guys are here learning about Crocoin. And now Crocoin, I know a lot of you guys are saying, it's not moving, it's not moving. And I've been saying, guys, well, be prepared for it to move to the downside a little bit against Bitcoin, because I think we need to make a move to the upside. However, there is something important that we need to look at. And all in all, right now, the entire crypto market is consolidating. We are moving to the downside momentarily. We'll see how long it is going to last. It's just really bearish consolidation. We're not really breaking any lows or anything like that just yet. We're still stuck in this channel. But let's look at Bitcoin dominance, because I've been talking about how I really think we need to make a move to the upside leading into the Bitcoin halving for the Bitcoin dominance, because, well, quite frankly, that's what happens with every 4-year cycle when it comes to crypto. But I do preface that, and I do say that this bear market is quite different than the other bear markets that we've been through. The attention level that is being held throughout this bear market is at such a different level. There's so much more attention going on in this bear market than there was in the 2017 through 2019 bear market and the bear market before that. And there's a lot more attention that's being held. People aren't going away. It's not a ghost town nearly as much as it was back in 2018. I remember back in 2018 when we finally had that time capitulation where we moved to the downside right here, where we fully came down. We were trading sideways for over a year, guys, trading sideways for over a year, and then we had this time capitulation. Guys, there was nobody here. There was nobody here. The crypto Twitter was almost non-existent. There was nobody there. It was a ghost town. The reason why I'm saying that is because now is different. People joke around and say, "Oh, this time's different," but it is different. There are many similarities, but there is a different touch to it. And the reason why I'm saying this is because, well, right now, guys, we did get a rejection off of this line of 48.71%, and it does look like we are headed to the downside in Bitcoin dominance. And what that usually means is, well, it means when Bitcoin dominance goes down that altcoins usually rally. There's usually a altcoin type of season. However, will we come down fully like we did back here? I don't know. That's hard to say. But what I do know is this is a rejection off this point, and I am going to be keeping a close eye on this, because if we do break below, say, the 46% mark, I do think we're going to make our way to 42%, which would be a very large move, and it would be significant. It would be significant for the altcoins. So be prepared if Bitcoin dominance level keeps coming down. Be prepared for the altcoins to move to the upside. Be prepared for that. However, I will say, when we do look at the Bitcoin chart right now, I do see a time for us to move to the downside just a little bit here. Just a little bit. We are getting on the daily, a little bit of a move to the downside. However, this could be pretty insignificant if we come back up here. The day has just begun. But we are moving towards this upside here. But I would not be surprised if we move down to these $26,300 price level. But obviously, there's levels that we need to be paying attention to before we reach that level, such as the 27,800, 28K level is a very, very strong point of support we will have. But, guys, we're going to have to keep a close eye on it. There's going to be many, many pivotal things happening very quickly here. So we're going to have to keep our eyes wide open and be paying close attention to the markets here. But guys, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if Bitcoin dominance comes down here and we see a big move to the upside. So let's look over at Crocoin, because if that were to happen, well, we're going to get a breakout to the upside. And we already are getting a little bit of a breakout to the upside as Bitcoin dominance comes down, which is, I know many of you Crow fam out there would be pretty excited to see that. And don't expect us to move straight to the fair value level of about the 12-13 cent price point, but do be prepared for a move to the upside. As long as Bitcoin consolidates at these levels, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin dominance comes up, and we do have a little bit of a altcoin rally. So be prepared for that, guys. If you've been buying and accumulating in this zone along here between the 5.5 cent and 10 cent mark, you'll probably be rewarded heavily. That's not financial advice, but if you have been doing that, you probably will be rewarded. So very, very cool things happening in the market. Let's look over the S&P 500. We are getting a continuation breakout to the upside on the S&P. We are hitting this resistance level. Would like to break above the $4,200 on the S&P to see some bullish continuation with risk on assets, in my opinion. But the S&P 500 is so severely pegged to macroeconomics and to what the Federal Reserve's data is. I mean, and what they say, every little word that Jerome Powell says, the markets react significantly to. But based on the narrative that we have going on, where the banks are collapsing, the Federal Reserve doesn't have much to do, I wouldn't be surprised if we need to print some more money here, and the S&P will probably rally. The U.S. dollar will probably tank, and the equity and crypto markets will rally. So there's a lot happening, guys. There's a lot happening, and the crazy thing about it is this year is just started. We're just finishing up with quarter one, and I've been saying this is going to be the year of accumulation, and I still stand behind that. I think that leading into the Bitcoin halving, there'll be many, many times to be accumulating, and I'm accumulating right now. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Go in the description box below, check out our links. We have an $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet, a $4,500 sign-up bonus with Femex. All you gotta do is click the link, sign up, deposit, open a couple trades, and you can get up to $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet, $4,500 with Femex, and $600 with Binance. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. All you gotta do is go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our custom emojis and our custom loyalty badges that you can use during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, and you get 10 additional entries each month to winning this lower line NFT that we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.